Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Mahdi English School. My dear students, this is the class of Standard 1. We are going to learn mathematics. So, my dear tiny students, you all are ready? Very good. Let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. Good manners will open doors that the best education cannot. My dear students, this thought shows the importance of your behavior, manners. Though a person is well educated, but he or she has not good manners, it becomes worth. So, my dear students, to become a person with a good manners is most important thing in your life. Now, everyone get ready. Sit straight. Make your back straight. Take the pencil and pen in your hand. Take the book as well. My dear students, as you all know that in our textbook we are having total 12 chapters. Among these, chapter number 1 to 6 were included in Essay 1 syllabus. For Essay 2 examination, we have to prepare chapters 7 to 12. We have completed till chapter number 10, money. After completing that chapter, we have learned tables 1 to 10 as well. We learn and make fun through mental maths. So I hope you all enjoyed, and yes, to read and write tables 1 to 10 was your homework for different days. So now I think you all have completed that. From today onwards, we are going to start chapter number 11, handling data. Write down chapter 11, handling, handling, data. Handling data. the new word for you. What is this? We learned addition, subtraction, tables, time, money. This is a new word. Handling data. What is it? Let us see. Look at the side. There is an image of a park. Oftenly, you all visited the park and enjoyed the rides. Don't you love going to the park? How many swings are in the park? Are all the slides the same height or are same higher than the others? Do you run around in circles while playing with your friends? If two children are sitting on one side of the seesaw and two sit on the other side, how many children are there in all on the seesaw? Now, first let's understand what is data handling. You all have to write with me now. So I am waiting for a while till you all becomes ready with your notebook and pencil. Now write down DATA, data. HANDLING, handling. REFERS, refers. TO2, the, PROCESS, process. off, GATHERING, gathering. Comma, E C O R D I N G. Recording. A-N-D, and. P-R-E, S-E-N-T-I-N-G. Presenting. I-N, F-O-R-M-A-T-I-O-N. Information. I-N-F-O-R-M-A-T-I-O-N. Information. I-N, in. W-A-Y, way. T-H-A-T, that. I-S, is. H-E-L-P, help. F-U-L, full, helpful. T-O, two. O-T-H-E-R-S, others. Dash. F-O-R, four. I-N-S, T-A-N-C-E, intense, comma. I-N, in. G-R-A-P-H-S, graphs. O-R, or. C-H-A-R-T-S, charts. Full stop. Now I will repeat definition of data handling 2 times. Data handling refers to the process of gathering, recording, and presenting information in a way that is helpful to others. For instance, in graphs or charts. Now, one more time, I am going to revise. This time, you all have to speak after me. So, I will take a small pause after some times so that you all can repeat it. Here we are going to start. Data handling refers to the process of gathering, recording and presenting information in a way that is helpful to others. For instance, in graphs or charts. My dear students, this was the definition of data handling. Now, let's understand it with a live example. Everyone, look at the screen. What you have seen? Here you can see different fruits. Am I right? What exactly we have to do with these images of fruits? In a simple way, we can say that we have to separate it. But for mathematics, we have to use the sentence that. Here we have to prepare a data of given fruits. So, other one can understand what is the amount of a particular fruit here. Here we can see strawberries, cherries, bananas, pear and watermelon as well. Now I am giving you some time. You all can observe it. See the image properly and try to count the fruits. You have sufficient time. I am giving you the whole 1 minute. After 1 minute, we will start counting. We will start preparing data. I think you all have prepared the data in your mind. Here you can see the first image is of strawberry. Complete the data table. COMPLETE. Complete. THE. The. DATA. Data. TABLE. Table. Complete the data table. First, we have to fill the information about strawberry. Now, observe the image properly and count how many strawberries are there. In this image, there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 strawberries. So, in this table, here we have to write 4. Next, we have to find out how many cherries are there. Again, I am giving you some time. Observe the image carefully and count. How many cherries are there? Who likes to eat cherries very much? What is the color of the cherry? We can prepare the data according to that also. But right now we have to prepare the data as per numbers. So let us see how many cherries are there. There are 1, 2 and 3 cherries. Afterwards, we have to find out how many bananas are there. Now I am waiting. You all can count the number of bananas and write down in your notebook. Afterwards, you can compare it with the answer. See, how many bananas are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In this image, there are 5 bananas. After that, we have to find out how many pears are there. P-E-A-R, pear. See, how many pears are there? 1 and 2. There are 2 pears. What is left now? Yes, watermelon. So, let's find out how many pieces of watermelon are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 watermelons. I hope you all understand. This is the basic way to prepare the data. Is it okay? No. Now observe the image properly, the answers. That there are 4 strawberries, 3 cherries, 5 bananas, 2 pears and 4 watermelon. So now tell me, which fruit is least in amount? We can say that pear is least in amount as it is only 2. Now observe it carefully and tell me, which fruit is higher in amount, the most? By watching this and observing this image as well answers, we can say that bananas are most as there are 5 bananas. On the same way, we can say that the strawberry and watermelon, they both are same as strawberries are 4 as well watermelon is also 4. I hope you all understand how can we prepare the data as well how can we make data analysis. In next lecture, we will learn it with some more examples, some more exercise. Till then everyone, at your home, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will definitely meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.